Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to build a mega menu in Odoo. So a mega menu lets you display large drop-down panels with categories, images, links, and promotions inside your website navigation. So actually guys, first you will need just to create a mega menu using the website builder, and to do that or to get through that website builder, you will need to go and click on the website model right here. Okay, so once you click it, you will be inside the editor, right? So all you need to do to get through it, you will need just to go and click on edit, the option that's located at the top right corner. Now you will need to go with edit menu option, okay, so this one, and once you click on it, you will need to go and click on add menu item. All right, and here you will need to give it a name. So for example, we'll name it as sock. Right, and then you will need to add URL or a page link. Then just go with continue and save. Okay, so this becomes the parent menu item, and then you will need to convert it into a mega menu. So as I told you, you will need to hover over the new menu item and then just click the mega menu or use mega menu. If you can see it, depends on Odoo version and theme. All right, and Odoo creates a large drop down section. Okay, and then you can as well customize it, right, or customize its layout. So inside the mega menu editor, you can add the product categories, the featured products, the images, banners, buttons, multi-column links and icons, also the promotional text, and you can drag blocks directly into the mega menu from the blocks here. You can customize it with style, add themes, etc. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.